On March 19, 2012, a video went viral on the internet that appeared to show the human-piloted flapping wing aircraft, purportedly the first such flight in history. Many computer graphics experts blogged about why the flight video appeared computer-generated. Indeed, on March 23, 2012, the video's creator admitted on Dutch TV that it was all a hoax. Here are offered further explanations why the video was a fake, based on known physical laws. Notice how little bending there is at the middle of the wing during the upward and downward stroke, meaning the surface area of the downstroke is almost identical to the surface area during the upstroke. So, there is almost no lift from wing flapping at all. Lift could come from the man running forward, causing airflow under the wings. Also, there would be some lift from the cambered cross-section wing, but likely not much. If we assume a linear relationship, then a man of 82 kilograms or 180 pounds goes here, and the flapping wingspan needed to lift him is 22.5 meters, or about 73 feet.